So today we are going to do helium neon laser experiment. This is our setup. This is a vernier scale, and this is our helium neon laser. And here we have our diffraction grating. This is diffraction grating, and here we have to. This is our screen. So first we have to turn on the laser, and then we have to adjust this vernier scale such that the distance between the wall, the screen, and the laser should lie around 150 centimeter. Right now it is we can see where it is falling, so this distance is around 160, as you can see, 160 centimeters, and the laser is more than 2 meters away from the screen. This laser is more than 2 meters away from the screen. So first we have to stick our graphs on this wall, and then we have to this is our laser path, as you can see. So remove first we have to plot the central point without this scale. So we will remove this, and this point is directly falling from laser without any reflection from this scale. This point is minus y0. This is minus y0. Okay, now we will put the vernier scale such that it is just reflecting at the grazing angle.
Now the central bright is the y0 point, and corresponding to this point and taking this as a reference, we will measure the remaining point. The bright point will be y1, and so y2, y3 and y2 up to 13 point we will measure on the graph, and from there we will calculate all the stuffs.
Okay, so this was the first part of the experiment.
Scale के बाद में. One very important thing mentioned here is like we have to fix this laser such that this laser light doesn't fall on the below the 10 centimeter scale, because below the 10 centimeter scale there is a precise grooving there is a least count of 0.5 mm, but we have to take the least count of 1 mm. That's why we have to make sure that this grazing should be like away
It
from
should
the
be away
the
from
10,
more than 10
10 centimeter.
centimeter.
It should not
Okay.
within the 10 centimeter. Otherwise, you have to take the separation between the slits to be 0.5 millimeter.
So in the second part of the experiment, we have to use diffraction grating. So here we have our three gratings. This has 100 lines. This has 300 lines per millimeter, and this has 600 lines per mm. So we have to use all these three.
Ratings will never.
Hmm. So as you can see, the light is falling on 100 lines grating. So this is the diffraction pattern. Now when I change it to 300, the the points are more far away, but we have to make sure that all points lie within our graph
At
paper.
least 3 points like within.
At least three points on left and as well as right side. So we have to decrease the distance between screen and grating. So let's adjust it. So we have adjusted the distance. So as you can see, now the distance between the screen and grating is uh, for, around 40 centimeter, 42 centimeter. And laser also we have adjusted to one end, um, around 118 or 120 centimeter. Okay, so here as you can see the diffraction pattern due to grating. So here the light is falling on 600 lines per mm grating, So this is the diffraction pattern, and we have to make sure that this lies on the graph paper. And now let's adjust it to 300. This is 300 grating, and this is 100 centimeter, 100 lines per centimeter grating.
We have to fix the distance of this grating such that at least one point, either side of the center of leva at least lie on the graph.
Okay, so that's all about this experiment. Thank you.